GT Endurance Racing Broadcast, Onboarding. Welcome to the Overlay Package Designer Onboarding. Your role is to restyle the on-screen HUD for each league, including the race timer and the POV frame. The best part is that you can do all of this visually, with no CSS required. The relay serves the same HUD page for every league. Each profile ships a small CSS override that wins the cascade, so it restyles the shared page without forking it. That means there is no separate copy to maintain one page but a per-league look. This is the Visual Overlay Builder. Open the Control Center, go to Profile, then Overlay Builder. From there you click a slot, drag it to move and drag the handles to resize it. In the Property panel you set position, font, color and background, and the fields pre-fill with the real template values, so you are always editing from a known starting point. With a running relay you get a live preview. Save writes the generated CSS into your profile's overlay folder. Apply in OBS reloads the browser source, the same as running the OBS refresh command, and Preview opens the live HUD preview, the real base page with live sheet data rendered over your own overlay image frame. A curated set of broadcast-friendly Google fonts ships with every install, so they appear in the Overlay Builder's font pickers with no download step. If you need a font that is not in the set, type its name in General Settings, under Overlay Fonts. It is self-hosted once into the machine-wide library and shared across all leagues, and when a league's design uses a font, it is copied into the profile's fonts folder on save, so a profile export stays self-contained and works offline. One important caveat about the first override. The relay only loads the overlay directory if it existed at startup, so the very first override on a profile that had no overlay folder yet needs one relay restart to activate. Use relay, then restart in the Control Center. After that, every later edit applies live-through apply in OBS with no restart. There is also an advanced CSS box, a raw escape hatch where whatever you type is appended verbatim after the generated rules, and it pairs naturally with a per-league OBS collection. To recap the workflow, drag the slots, resize them, set your colors, and save. Use apply in OBS to reload the browser source. Use Preview to confirm it looks right against your overlay image, and when you are happy, ship it. Control Center Profile Export keeps the fonts and CSS self-contained. Thanks for watching. You'll find the full setup and reference documentation in the project wiki.